everybody, welcome back to my channel. You already know from the title above that today we are doing a more neutral glam smoky eye using the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. I do have a video planned and coming up talking about the drama that's been going on with this palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, or you want to see what's going on with this palette, you can subscribe to my channel and continue watching. Yeah, let's get into the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. So we're starting off with our face already primed and our eyelids already concealed. I just used the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. You can use whatever you have. We're gonna go in with the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette, and I also have the Mini Controversy palette. So pretty. I don't know really what we're doing today. I'm getting ready, like real life. I'm getting ready to go to a birthday dinner for my mother. I'm gonna start off by taking Tanacon, which is this light brown shade. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear my child in the background. She is in the living room with her dad having a meltdown. Teasing has not been our friend in any way, shape, or form. I'm going to blend this into my crease and create my shape. I'm just going for a rounded shape today. This is gonna be like a super simple look. Next, I'm gonna go in with Diet Root Beer, which is the shade right beside it. It's just a little darker, still matte, and it's almost like a little more warm tone. And I'm just using this to deepen our crease. I know last week I didn't really have like my normal beauty videos. I only did one makeup video last week, and it was the transforming myself back into when I was a scene kid. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. But I'm coming in strong this week. I want to play a lot with the colors that are in both of these palettes, but for today, we're going to stick a little more neutrally. I'm going to run in with just a little bit of cheese dust, which is, honest to God, just orange. Did anyone think there'd be a day where we have cheese dust colored eyeshadow? I'm just blending that into the first two shades to warm everything up. Maybe. And now I'm gonna go in, I just realized Diet Root Beer is in the Mini Controversy and the Conspiracy palette. That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Rides here, which is the black shade. And I'm going to place it and then wipe my brush off and go to blending. That did not blend very well whatsoever. So that black is not blending very well at all. Not sure what I did to deserve that. But it's fine. I'm going to quickly cut my crease. So I kind of want to go in with Conspiracy, which is like this green shade, but I also want to go in with Just a Theory and Spiraling. What is this? Ooh, that's super pretty, but would look weird. I think I'm going to just take Just a Theory. That fallout literally just landed inside of my eyeball. Okay, so I don't really think I needed to cut my crease, but we're past that. So guys, Jeffree Star mystery boxes for the holidays. How do we feel about one of those being in the giveaway? Which, when I'm filming this, we're only 20 subscribers away from another giveaway. I have goodies back here that are gonna be in the giveaway, but do we want to add a mystery box? I'm literally just piling this on to get the amount of color I'm wanting out of it. Then I'm going to go back in with my original crease brush and Diet Root Beer because that black was just trash and it didn't blend worth a shit. Ooh, I just thought of a really cute look I want to do with this palette, but not today. So that's pretty much all for right now. I'm going to hop off of here and do my other eye and throw on my face, get some brows going, and then we're going to be back to finish everything out. Why am I so freaking weird? Sorry, but that's what we're doing. I'll be right back. All right guys, so we are back and we have our face makeup on, and my concealer took out a little bit of this right here. So I'm just correcting it. So while I was doing this, I wanted to add some color to this shimmery highlight shade. So I mixed in a little bit of pigment to create a little bit more pink in it. It's like a rosy gold shade now. I'm down. Okay, so now let's run in on this lower lash line here. I'm going to take Diet Root Beer. And we're just gonna run that underneath. And then I'm gonna go in with my Rides here, which is of course that black, and I'm just gonna add this on the outer corner. Stab myself in the eye a little bit. And I'm gonna smudge that out just a little bit more. Make sure your eyes are even, of course. Then let us tightline quickly. I'm using the NYX retractable pencil in black, obviously. If you didn't want this look to be as wild, you could of course go in with a cream color or white even. Your choice. I'm going to add a wing quickly and some mascara. For mascara, like always, I'm going to use the Essence False Lashes and Maybelline Lash Sensational. And then we are going to be back. We're going to slap on a lip color and we're going to finish off the eyes and face using that palette. Okay, I'll be back. Wing mascara. I just realized I totally forgot that I have one of the pink mirrors. Totally just now remembered, so sorry. Okay, and we're done with our eyes for right now. While our mascara is still drying and all of that, we're going to quickly do our lips. I'm using Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lip Stick in Mannequin and the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream in White Russian. And since I remember I have it, let's use the pink pig mirror, guys. Alright, guys, I'm excited I haven't fucked up this look like beyond repair yet. I'm sure it's coming. The final thing we're going to do, ooh, tingly, ooh, tingly. I am going to take a super small little eye brush and we're going to go in with the shade, sorry I'm blinding you. We're going to go in with the shade Ranch, which is like white with silver reflect. It is so pretty. Even if I don't use this palette for whatever look I'm doing that day, since I've gotten it and tried it in that first video, I've been dipping into this palette specifically to use that as my eye and face highlight, which is insane. Cray cray. But I've been doing it because it's so reflective and brightening. I feel like I love it. With this same little brush, we're going to quickly highlight our mouth, and I'm going to hit a little bit on my nose, like the very tip of my nose, and then a little bit on the bridge, and then I'm going to take a larger highlighting brush. Ready? You're not ready. Oh my Look at that. Normally, it almost always shows it better on this side in my videos. Oh my god, I love it. And then if that's a little dramatic for you, you can just take your beauty sponge, pat over it, and we're done. Oh, how do you guys feel? Wait, we've got to set it. I have been using my Jeffree Star Morphe Set and Refresh or whatever spray, but I bought a travel size of this to try it out. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX spray. Been loving it for my crusty skin. Yes. Oh, I forgot to mention, I used the shade Tannicon, which was that transition shade we put on our crease. I used that a little bit in my contour. I saw Jeffree do it in his video, so I needed to do it in mine. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're almost to 300 subscribers, which means we are almost to a whole nother giveaway, guys. I'm having a ton of fun doing giveaways. I'm having a ton of fun gaining subscribers and people to talk to. You can always leave me a comment down below and I will reply to you, unless you just leave like emojis or something. But if you leave like actual words down below or something, I will reply to you. You can also follow me on Instagram. I always have it linked down below with a few other videos from my channel that I think you guys might enjoy. And yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. Let's get off of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!